a beautiful thing? Oh, wait, a little bit too much coffee. Y'all, today is beautiful. Today is a day of abundance, a day of radiance. Get out here and get some sun in your life. Free vitamin D. Y'all, free vitamin D. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see it? 10 minutes of it is good for you. Let's drink to that. I love you guys, but I want you to remember to love yourself so this world will be a much better place. Don't forget to say hi to everybody you walk past every day. Start something new. Oh, it's a bee. I gotta go. Hey, y'all. There's a new sheriff in town. Her name is Sonia. Okay? All right, boss. Y'all are the boss on this channel. Is she right? Did she do it right? Is she looking right? What y'all think? Huh? You're like a little girl, right? I know. I closed my eyes this time and did it. Am I okay this morning? Okay. I just wanted to get you guys. I want y'all to get me together. That's what I wanted to hear, okay? All right, y'all. How is she looking today? OOTD, down to the Gucci slides. Fake. I can't even do it. It's fake. Look at that. Fake Gucci slides. OOTD of the day. I'll see you guys momentarily.
I could be your little baby, let me see your heart. You could be my little baby, come to my heart, come to me. I want you, come to me. Oh baby, come to me. I want you, come to me. I could be your little baby, let me see your heart. You could be my little baby, come to my heart, come to me.
That wasn't too bad, y'all, was it? I had to go get in there and make these deliveries and visit this box real quick. Yeah, I'm going to, thanks for hanging out with me. I had to put my finger in the way of something, so can't be showing people's faces and stuff, so have to be respectful in these streets, right? So I'm going to take you guys with me to, I hope I signed everything right. Okay. I'm going to take you guys with me to Ace Hardware. Guys, I got a $5 coupon and I'm going to find me something. So yeah, just sharing my day, y'all. I'm just sharing in my day. All right. I'll see you guys in a little while. Now I see why the older people, they get up early in the morning and do stuff. So they ain't got to be bothered with the crazy people like us. Ain't nobody in this store. Y'all look at this bike. Look at this bike. Oh my God. That's too funny. Sorry guys, but I came to get, what am I getting? Looking for some Myers. I'm gonna see. Hi, how are you? Good. Oh yeah, I'm okay, thank you. I'm gonna find some Myers cleaner. I was looking for like a fragrance for fall, but I don't think they have any for fall. They have these, but they're not fall. Rhubarb may be fall, but yeah. Let's see. I know somewhere in here. Oh y'all, they playing music. I gotta go now. Hold on. Guys, did y'all miss me? I'm finally back. I just bagged in the driveway. It is 5:02. Look, 5:02 on the dot. And she's just now getting home. But it is about the storm. I know I'm going to ride my bike later, but I want to show you guys what I picked up from Ace Hardware. Y'all, I forgot. Welcome back to another video. So yeah, I'm going to go in the house, turn this camera back on, show you guys what I got, and then we're going to end out this video, okay? Because that's just what it is. It's one of those chill days. Today is the 14th, and she's pushing through. And y'all got to give me credit for pushing through, right? I keep looking at myself in the mirror to make sure that we on track. So, yeah, I'm going to go in the house, get myself together, and then I'll come back with you guys shortly, okay? All right, y'all. Let's see what's inside this Ace bag. But anyway, guys, I only got 2 things, and y'all, hold on, let me just tell y'all this. So I did pick up the Method Daily Shower Spray, and I only had this much left. If you guys have been following me, I only have a little bit of that left that I think I paid $1 for from the bins. So this came in handy. It was $3.99. So this is the Lang Lang. This is the Lang Lang. And y'all see right here, Lang Lang fragrance. It smells super good. And I also picked up some Epsom salt. This is the regular one, but it's lavender scented. And guys, I can use this. I wanted some because I wanted to start soaking my feet and do my feet baths or whatever. But you can use this on your plants. So I am going to use this. I think I told you guys I'm going to use some type of fertilizer situation to help my Monstera Swiss cheese plant, bring her back to life, because she's not doing too well. But you guys know I have a green thumb, so I'm hoping and praying that I can, you know, resurrect her back to life the way she's supposed to be. But anyway, yeah, I got this was $1.99, and it tells you here is the lavender scent, and then it tells you like what things you can use it for. It's all natural, and on the back it tells you what you can use it for. So I had forgot all about that until I was reading the thing, and so these are the 2 items that I picked up from my Ace Hardware. So guys, I only had to pay $1.06, okay? And let me tell y'all something. How's somebody gonna get mad at you because you saved some money? The guy that rung me up was like super pissed. Like I had said something like, out of fun, you know, just a nice gesture out of, wow, I haven't paid $1.06 for something like this before in a, you know, or a long time. And he was just looking like, and I was just like, it's okay. Thank you and have a great day. So whatever. Anyway, but yeah, guys, those are my 2 things that I found, and I'm gonna bring you guys back. We're gonna see how that works for the plant. You guys know well. And tomorrow I probably will be visiting the bins though. I need 2 lights. I need a light for this shade here, for this lamp here. Y'all, I love this lamp. I love this lamp. It's so beautiful. Mid-century modern, sleek. It's very minimalist, like I like. So yeah, I'm gonna need a bulb for that. I need a new bulb for this one at the top because it's just not giving off enough light. So yeah, I will see you guys in another video. Thanks for hanging out with me on my productive work day. So yeah, guys, like I said, these are my items, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to love yourself so that you will love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all.